From blank to brilliant, let's press your design on this mug. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to dive in how you can press a mug with a 16-in-1 heat press machine. Let's go. First we're going to start with taking off the t-shirt elements that comes by default with the 16-in-1. We're going to start with the top element, taking it off with the wing nuts. And then the bottom part. The mug that you're going to use. You're going to need the design that you're going to press on your mug, some scissors, your heat protective gloves, heat resistant tape, and then all the sizes and options that you have to press your mug with. You're going to test the mug with the specific size that fits on the specific mug that you're going to use. Attach the mug press to your unit. Remember to keep your cable on the right hand side. Add on the right mug element that you've chosen onto your mug press. Attach your cable cord for power. We're then going to do a pressure test. You're going to place your mug inside the element and adjust your pressure, then do the pressure test. Your mug can take about up to 4.5 kilograms of pressure, so make sure it's firm and sturdy. Next, we're going to switch on our 16-in-1. The 16-in-1 has default settings of temperature and seconds. So your mug press would be 180 degrees for 460 seconds. But with this specific mug, you can see the mug is not as thick, so you can divide the seconds into half. So you will press the emergency button halfway through, which is about around 250 seconds. Now we're going to cut out our design and stick it onto our mug with the heat resistant tape. Please make sure to not make yours as skew as I did the first time. Insert your mug with your design, press hard and wait. Make sure to put on your heat protective gloves before you take out your mug, because it's going to be very hot. Halfway through, you're going to press your emergency stop, and there you go, your mug is done. And that's how you can press a mug. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. See you in the next one.